This is my 3D printed air engine. It has two tiny holes which jet out air and make this thing spin. These are the separate pieces of the print. There are 3 pieces. Right now you can see the ring inside. So I'm just gonna apply super glue on top of it. I've attached it to the bottle. I've ran it for like a minute to wear it a bit so the rotation gets smoother, and I've lubricated it with vegetable oil to reduce the friction and reduce the wearing. I'm pumping with one hand. This is it with 30 psi using an air compressor.